So, what do you get if you mix thrifting, decoupage and some fish? A fabulous new table. I wanted a new table for my living room, and when I found this one at the thrift store for £10, I knew it would be perfect for this project. Now honestly, £10 might have been far too much for this table considering it had a huge damaged section in the top. I couldn't save the top, so I had to sand it off. But it did leave behind this cool print in the top. Unfortunately, that had to get painted over, so I gave it a coat of black paint. Once the paint had completely dried, I gave it a coat of yacht varnish, which is a very high gloss varnish. I've been staring at the ceiling. I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been really inspired by chinoiserie designs lately, and when I was searching through Pinterest, I found lots of references to goldfish. I thought it'd be quite cool to decoupage the top of this with lots of different goldfish. I had it printed and cut out lots of them. I've been trying everything I can. Because I wanted the fish to be equal distance, I planned out my design. For decoupage medium, I like to use simple craft glue. I always put a blob of glue onto a smooth surface and then paste over my paper and peel it off. Try my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly. 'Cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. Nothing left. Once I'd done the first circle, I did a second one. Nothing left. Nothing left. I'd done my second circle, I did a third one. I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my and on until I got to the center. Every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. The edge of the table was looking a little bit bland compared to all that pattern on the top, so I added a rim of fish around the edge. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. All my fish look in the same way, but for an extra bit of quirkiness on the legs, I added a fish looking the other way.
Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye.
I then left that to dry and focused on the edge by adding a gold band.
Was it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do?
It was looking a little bit too new, so I gave it a distressing with some sandpaper and then went over it with a dark glaze just to dull it down a bit.
But I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly.
And then it was time to seal the piece. Because I wanted this to have a high gloss finish, I went over it with about 6 or 7 layers of high gloss varnish.
God, I need you now so dearly. 'Cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can. I ain't got nothing left.
Let me know what you think of this transformation down in the comments below. All that was left was to place it in my living room, and this is how it came out. I hope this gives you some inspiration for your own projects, and if you want to see some more fabulous furniture projects from me, I'll leave a playlist just here. I'm really trying to get to 4,000 subscribers, so I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button if you're not already.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something